I'm recording this so that you will know.
So
You can watch this again. Okay. So this is YIJC tutorial, right?
yeah,
Circular motion.
yeah.
Okay. So this is your tutorial question for today. All right. So you read the question and then you've completed A. Okay. Assuming that this is correct. You check the answer which is correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the second one you're stuck.
Mm.
So what's the first step when it comes to solving questions that are circular motion?
You're a free body diagram.
Free body diagram. So how does it look like? How should it look like? Okay, what are the forces?
The centrifugal tension and the weight.
Tension would be here.
Yeah.
Weight would be over here.
So,
Centripetal force,
right, go horizontal.
like that.
Yeah.
Now, is this correct if I draw it like that?
Oh,
Why is it wrong?
it has to be a double angle. Double arrow.
Double arrow. Why is it double arrow?
Because yes.
It's the resultant force. This is the resultant force. Okay, it's not a real force. Centripetal force is not a real force. It's a resultant force. Okay. Now, where's the angle? The angle is over here. So you're going to put T and then theta here. Okay. Then you're going to come out with your equations, right? The next step is, so this is step 1, free body diagram. Step 2, come out with your equations. What are equations? Let's look at the vertical one. Resolving forces vertical. So resolve vertical. What's the equation? For resolution of forces vertical. T what?
T sine. T sine MR omega squared.
You might want to check that again. T sine or T cosine? Vertical is in this direction.
Oh, then T cosine.
T cosine. Okay. So T cosine theta.
Yeah.
So this is the vertical direction Y and X. So Y is the vertical. T cosine theta equals to
MR omega. Wait, mg.
mg. Okay?
Yeah.
Resolve. So we're going to put it aside first. All right. We're trying to see what other equation we got. Resolve horizontally. So whenever you're stuck, right, for circular motion questions, try to do this first. Okay? And then you may come on to something. So horizontally is in the x direction. What is it?
T sine theta.
P sine theta equals to
MR omega squared.
mr omega squared. Okay, at this point in time, you feel like, hey, I've got a lot of unknowns. What am I going to do with it? Okay, so in the beautiful world of H2, H1 physics, A-level physics, is that you got to learn how to divide. So if you set this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, you can actually divide 1 over 2. And then I give you what? Tangent theta. So I got a very nice tangent theta over here. I can cancel out my t. What about my m? Do I keep it? Cancel out as well. Then what am I left with?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you solve this?
Yeah.
You have your theta over here. Your r is over here, 0.4. Your g is what?
9.1.
Yeah. And you're only left with omega, which is what you need. Angular speed at the bottom. Okay. What about the next one? Period of rotation.
Omega equals to T.
Omega equals to
2 pi over T.
2 pi over T. So this is for part C. So once you find omega, you can find your T from there. Okay? So go and try to solve and remember this method. So you got step 1, step 2, and this would be step 3. Let me just put step 1 here, step 2, and step 3. So many things can be solved in 3 steps. Okay, and we are done for this question.